How to fix Roblox not launching on Windows 11. So in this video, I'll show you how to fix Roblox not launching on Windows 11. So to get started, the first thing you can do is to clear Roblox cache. So click on WinR on your keyboard. And then from here, go ahead and search for local app data. And then on this folder, go ahead and find the Roblox folder. And then from here, go ahead and delete all of the files under the Roblox folder. This removes corrupted temporary files that may block the launch. Second thing you can do is to go ahead and reinstall Roblox. So on your control panel, open control panel, and then from here, click on uninstall a program, and then look for Roblox on the programs available on your device. So once you have found Roblox, go ahead and right click on it, and then click on uninstall. And then try reinstalling Roblox from their website. Third thing you can do is to update your graphics driver. So open the device manager on your device, click on WinX on your keyboard. And then from here, select device manager. And then on device manager, go ahead and look for display adapters, and then right click on your graphics driver and then click on update driver. And that is basically the 3 ways for you to resolve the problem of Roblox not launching on your Windows 11.